I'm very happy New Year has come. This New Year will come, have a new joy. I hope this New Year will bring a lot of prosperity and peace in the country and the states. We are giving a good governance. We'll continue to do that. I've already instructed my officials of Bangalore not to give permit leave to any of the officials. They should stay, law and order, services of water, power, whatever the services has been needed from the corporation, including everything should be very clear, and we should help the common man.
Sir, you have clearly already stated that there is no need of resignation of Priyank Kharge, but BJP is demanding CBI inquiry.
They wanted to do politics. They doesn't have anything to tell. Since Mr. Priyank Kharge is one of the important leader who has brought out many scandals. They are just trying to see that they want to demolish him. It is not possible. They are very jealous on his growth, and is a very vocal, important leader of this state. Who has a very big, bright
You also
future.
mentioned, sir, you are the only person targeted then.
No. See, because he is our spokesman and he is coming out with a lot of scandals. Earlier, before forming the government also, he came out with a lot of scandals. So they are trying to corner it. They can't corner it. Nowhere his name is there. He is nowhere connected. He is a very clean, honest, young politician of his
How about the inquiry, sir?
Inquiry will go on. We don't want to stop any inquiry. Let the inquiry go on. We will support the inquiry.
You clearly said, sir, that BJP government only targeted DK Shivakumarji then.
Of course. Who's strong, who does more work, who are efficient, who are caliber, who are vocal, only they will have enemies.
Some photos released by Mr. Vijayendra today, sir, saying that they have connection. They also released your photo stating that he's sitting on the lap of the DK Shivakumarji.
Oh, I think. Do you want me to show how many people, what type of people, who all are sitting on their lap?